How you doing? Thank you for checking in on Vet 51. I want to show you some magazines that I received from the Mag Shack. I was in touch with these guys and we had some email conversations, and pretty cool people over there. So the mags that I ended up receiving here from the Mag Shack, okay, are from ETS, and ETS is Elite Tactical Systems, and they are compatible with Glock 19. So I'm going to pull out my Glock 19 here. No rounds in the magazine. No rounds. What I'm going to do, first thing you do, just see if it fits. Fits. And pops pretty good. Okay. I'm going to put in a bunch of rounds here, and I'm going to just cycle them through. And we're going to see if how they cycle through. Let's see. I'm not going to tell you what the round capacity is. It's a big controversy these days in all these states throughout the country, except for, I believe, the top state in this whole United States would be New Hampshire. I have my reasons. Okay, so we know it's what we consider amber. Now it's green. Make it amber, make it red. Fed through. What we're going to do is I'm going to pop out the mag. Okay. There it is. Now, what I'm looking at here, the way the next three are holding up. But let's take another look. Amber. There goes another one. Fed through pretty good. A few more. That one fed pretty good. Nice and easy, nothing hard. Slides right in. There you go. Nothing sticking. Okay, that's one on the ground. Okay, I'll do one more. Pops right out. And there it is. Pretty good. I'll just pop these out. ETS from the Mag Shack. Check them out. They got some real good sales, and I think these are pretty good. Hit them up, see what you think, and give these suckers a shot. This is for my Glock 19, and we'll be ordering some more from them, and for my 23. And see how that rolls. Okay, well, thank you for tuning in. If you like what you see, hit that like button. Have any comments, shoot them down, put them underneath, and have any questions. If I don't have one, I'll get you one the best I can. Thank you for tuning in, and what I ask you to do is stay strong, do what's right, and stay armed. Have a good day.